Hello students, in this semester we are discussing about AC machine. AC machines are those machines which work on AC supply. It is two types. Number one is synchronous machine and number two is asynchronous machine. Asynchronous machine is also known as induction machine. Synchronous machine. Synchronous machine consists of both synchronous and generator. The machine which convert mechanical power into electrical power is known as synchronous generator, and if the same machine can be operated as motor is known as synchronous motor. A synchronous machine is an AC machine whose work is dependent upon the following relationship. The relationship is Ns is equal to 120 F upon P, where Ns is the synchronous speed, F is the frequency, and P is the number of poles of the machine. In other words, we can also say that the machine which only run at this speed is known as synchronous speed. Otherwise, it is known as induction machine. So, basic principle of synchronous machine is just electromechanical transducer. Electromechanical mean which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy or vice versa. And the fundamental phenomena or law which make these conversion possible are known as law of electromagnetic induction and law of interaction. So what is law of electromagnetic induction? This is also known as Faraday's first law of electromagnetic induction. According to this law, EMF is induced in conductor when it cut across the magnetic line of force. And law of interaction, this law production of force or torque. That is, whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field, by the interaction of magnetic field produced by the current carrying conductors and the main field, force is exerted on the conductor producing torque. Construction of synchronous machine. According to construction point of view, the synchronous machine consists two parts, namely stator and rotor. Stator is the stationary part, it carrying the armature winding in which voltage is generated. The output of the machine is taken from the stator. The rotor is rotating part over which field winding is placed, and the rotor produces the main field flux. Stator construction. The stationary part of the machine is called stator. It consists of stator frame, stator core, stator winding, and cooling arrangement. So stator frame is the outer body made up of cast iron and protect inner part of the machine. Stator core is made up of silicon steel material. It is made from a number of stamping which are insulated from each other. So its function is to provide easy path for the magnetic line of force and accommodate the stator winding. Rotor construction. According to construction, rotor is two types: salient pole type and cylindrical type. Cylindrical type rotor is also known as non-salient type rotor. So salient pole type salient mean projecting. So these type of rotor consist of pole projecting out from the surface of the rotor core, which is shown in the diagram. So this is the diagram, so in which stator poles are projected outside with non-uniform air gap. The air gap between the center of the core is large and above the surface is small. Basically, salient type pole rotor construction is suitable for medium and low speed and are employed at used, or we can say used at hydroelectric and diesel power plant of as a synchronous generator. Since the speed of these machine is quite low to obtain the required frequency, the machine has a large number of poles, and these machine have larger diameter and small in length. For a speed of 2000 rpm, the diameter of the machine is large is 40 meter and length is only 1 meter. So these are construction for medium and low speed. There are large number of pole. Salient pole diameter is large. Non-salient pole rotor or cylindrical rotor. In this type of rotor, there are projected pole, no projected pole, but the poles are formed by the current flowing through the rotor exciting winding. Cylindrical rotor is made from solid forging of high grade nickel chromium molybdenum steel. It has comparatively smaller diameter and longer length. So these are used where high speed rotor is used. For example, steam turbine, which rotate at higher speed 3000 rpm with a smaller number of pole, and diameter is small but larger in length. So these are the non-salient type rotor in which air gap is uniform, and this is all about the construction of synchronous machine.